Chicken Veggies Cutlets. Kids' favorite lunchbox snack. Let's start it. Cut your favorite vegetables. Cabbage, capsicum, green chilies. Boil and mash the potatoes. Add cabbage, capsicum, and green chilies. Add boil and shredded chicken. Add salt and black pepper powder. Now mix well to combine. Cutlets material ready. Let's make the cutlet shape. Soft and fresh material. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. Beat the egg. Dip the cutlets with egg. Turn and change the cutlet sides. Fry until golden brown. Step by step fry all cutlets. Now ready to serve. Enjoy fresh homemade chicken veggies cutlets. Looks so soft and delicious. Hope you enjoy the video. Full recipe in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.